Hello guys, if you are facing that ChatGPT is at capacity right now, so let me guide how to fix this problem. You have to open your Google Chrome first and search their Chrome web browser. Now you have to open your Chrome web store and search your VPN. You have to select the first one that is named as Hola VPN and just click on add to Chrome. It is connecting. You have to just click on add extension here, and yes, it is processing. Now you have to just click on the downloaded folder here right now. Now I find it in the hidden icons at the bottom. Now just click on it and it will be open in the new tab. You have to just click on this option here and then click the first one, and yes, it is opening in the new tab. You have to wait for a while. If it is taking much time, you have to open the previous tab and then again do this process. After this process will be completed, you have to open your ChatGPT and copy that link and open a new tab and paste this link there. You have to remove the last words from this link and just search the chat.openai.com like this, and you will be successfully find such type of the interface. Then you have to just click on the sign up option here. After that, you have to put your Gmail password, number and code on that was sent to your number, and you will be successfully find this page. If you have this error still on your page, you have to just click on the refresh option at the very top left corner of the page. You have to just click on it and you will be successfully solve this error. You can now proceed with your ChatGPT easily. I hope this video will be helpful for you, so give this video like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more information. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.